This is a corrections video for lesson 58, talking about minor triads. Remember that a minor triad has a minor third on bottom and a major third on top. Okay, so that's the minor triad. The major triad had a major third on bottom and a minor third on top. In this exercise, we are focusing on this one right here. Okay, so it says build minor triads, adding accidentals as necessary, using the following notes as the root, and then name them. So the bottom note is going to be the name of the chord because it's telling us that this is the root of the chord. And we need the little m after each letter to tell us that these are going to be minor triads. Okay, and then we're going to build our little snowmen. Building our little snowmen. All right. So to have a minor third on the bottom, the middle note cannot match the key signature of the major scale of the bottom note. So C major would have a C, E, G. To make it C minor, we flat that middle note. That is not always going to be a flat. Sometimes it's going to be a sharp that becomes a natural. Up next, we have G, B, D. That would be the major because G major only has an F sharp in it. So the B is natural in G major. So to make it minor, we take it down a half step. E major has E, G sharp, B. So this is the first time that that middle note, instead of becoming a flat, is going to become a natural. Now, do we have to write that natural sign? No, because there's not a key signature. But this is just to help remind you that that used to be a sharp and now it's a natural to make it minor. Same thing with this D chord. In D major, we would have an F sharp, but we want D minor, so it's going to be natural. Same thing with this A chord. It should be a C sharp E, but we are going to make it a C natural E so that it's minor. Same thing with this B chord. Would normally be B, D sharp, F sharp, but now we're going to do B, D natural, F sharp. We do have to draw the sharp sign on the F sharp. Okay, and lastly, F minor would normally be FAC, or F major would be FAC, so F A flat C for F minor. Okay, now it wants us to label each triad in the current key. So we're in the key of F major for the top one and G major for the bottom one. We are using the major scales and putting in our Roman numerals. Okay, so in the key of F, G is the second chord, and this is a minor chord, so we use a Roman numeral that is lowercase instead of uppercase. Next, in the key of F, D is the sixth chord. This is also a minor triad. Next up, we have the 1 chord, a major triad, the 4 chord, which is a major triad, and the 3 chord, which is a minor triad. Okay, in the major scale, the primary triads are major, 1, 4, and 5, like we've already learned about, and then 2, 3, and 6 are all minor. We'll talk about 7 later. It's extra special. Okay, now in the key of G, the E chord is the 6. So it's going to be lowercase 6. The G chord is the 1. The D chord is the 5. The B chord is the 3. And the C chord is the 4. Okie dokie. Make sure yours looks like mine. Take a picture, submit on Canvas.